In a land ruled by instinct and survival, one bond would challenge the very meaning of freedom.
I had no choice.
And now what happens to them?
Now, we decide if they live.
Look at her, George. She's not afraid.
She doesn't understand fear yet.
Then we'll teach her trust instead. Elsa.
That's the last chair she destroys.
She's exploring.
She's a lion, Joy.
And she's family. You trust me, don't you?
Careful, she's still wild.
Maybe wild doesn't mean heartless.
She doesn't belong here anymore.
She belongs with us.
No, we belong to her freedom.
Go on, Elsa!
She has to choose.
What if she doesn't? Elsa!
She couldn't survive.
Then we try again.
Watch, stop, wait.
She's learning.
She must.
No, Elsa.
She's scared.
So are we.
She did it. She became it.
It's been too long.
That's a good sign.
It doesn't feel like one. Do we call her?
No.
Be free, Elsa. She remembers,
Of course.
but she doesn't need us.
Look,
She's done it.
she gave them a chance.
Loving her was never hard.
Letting her go was.
And yet, it was love.
To love the wild is not to possess it, but to set it free.